sort of answer rates, we've got similar kind of visuals here, but we do have one of our favourites, the key influencers. So this really gives you the AI component and tries to explain what is the influences to say the answer rate to increase. So it's actually telling us under the hood, the type is TT, priorities are 2, a range of other metrics that we can see what is actually forcing the answer rate to. But if we wanted to spin that and say, how do we calculate decreases? If we've got enough data behind this, we can see when the answer rate's going down. Oh, it's caller 4, caller 6, etc. So again, the key influencer is very, very powerful visual, as we know. But it's almost like the smart narrative. It's kind of explaining things, but just, yeah. And it does segmentation analysis as well to show you where the bins are. We can see we found 3 segments and ranked them up here. So largest segment here, what's making up largest segment? Where call hours are greater or equal to 6. And there's a whole host that you can then really explore. We've not moved away from the one visual, and we're seeing a lot of information.
Yeah, that's fantastic. And I think, when you see a number like that, so the answer rate decreases between 4 and 6, that's not a surprising statistic. End of the day, the answer rate goes down, but to have it backed up in your data really is often what you need to be able to really sell that story within your business.
Absolutely, yeah. And you may be focusing in on, certain particular types. So I'm going to select just 3 of these answer rate types. It's going to run analysis. It's really difficult to get that analysis. If you were to try and generate it from any other sort of means, so we've got a completely other bin here. We can see for these 3 specifically. And again, go away, bookmark that, and then you have your report you want to look at on a regular basis.